Hey guys, welcome to the 49th Java tutorial, and today we are going to talk about inheritance. So, what is inheritance? By the name inheritance, it is kind of self-explanatory. Like, suppose a person's rich dad has died and now he's inheriting all of his money. Bad example. Okay, so let me tell you what inheritance is. So let's make few classes here. Class A. Okay. Okay. Class food, and the second class will be, I don't know, paneer. I want to eat paneer. Class dosa. I am also having craving for it. And class, no, that's all I'm having craving for. So let's say we have three different methods, and now we want to do something or print something like system dot out dot print line uh, wait, and this is eat method method. Yeah, and let's put in a method first. So public void, let's name it A. Okay, eat whatever. I shouldn't make tutorials when I'm ill. I'm not able to handle the information and what I'm messing up. Yep, all good. And we are printing this, and let's say each of our class has this method here and here. And suppose for the sake of this tutorial they are in the same file, but what if we are having them in different files, and now someone says I want to change it from method to methods. So then you will have to search each and every line of code and edit it there. But we have inheritance, which will make our work easier. So we are going to inherit all the methods from this food class, which has the updated s there. So for that the keyword is extends, and the name of the class you want to inherit, so it is food. And similarly for this one, it is going to be extends food. So now we have inherited every single thing that we have in this our food class here. So this class here from which we are inheriting is called superclass, and this one, which is the lucky guy, which is inheriting all the money from his father, is called subclass. And why it is useful? Again, we don't have to edit every single line of code in each and every method. We have simply inherited this thing here, and by one edit in this we can simply make edits in our various classes. So let me show you how it works. Let's make our main method here. So public void main, and what was it? Yes, string args. Now let's make object for our paneer. Object equals new paneer, and similarly for dosa object 1 actually equals new man, I'm arrest new dosa. And what I'm doing wrong, white is red, paneer can be resolved to a type. Why? So again double N here, now it's good. And let's call these methods now. So object, hope my screen is visible, if not, yeah, a little bit adjustment. So where's my cursor? So the object dot what was the name of the method? Eat. And similarly for our second object here, object 1 dot it. Let's do it. Messed it up. Let's see if it works now. Yep, this is 8 methods which we are getting from our object 1 of paneer class, and the second one again from a different class. So that's how inheritance works. And let me tell you one more thing. So now if we want to inherit all the things from this class here, but we want some changes in what it is written here, so we can simply make this class and make our changes from paneer. And yeah, let's go. So this is called method overriding. I have the method, similar method, same name in our superclass, but I am overriding the content of it in our child class. So this is method overriding. We have overridden whatever was there. So as you can see, this is eat from paneer class. So how to use it? Suppose we have many methods here and we want to change a specific method. Okay, so actually my breakfast is ready, so I need to go. So again we have overridden the particular method which we wanted specific for this method, and we got the result as we wanted to. And one more thing I want to show you is only public methods are inherited. So if I make it private and remove this one here, and now see what the output is, and we have the errors. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so as you can see, wait, I remove them. So as you can see, it is saying the method eat from food type is not visible, or we are simply getting error, but we have inherited the methods here. So only public methods are, or public things are inherited. So that's all for this one. I hope I made it simple and clear, the whole thing of inheritance. And make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next tutorial. I'm going to eat my breakfast now.